Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect TaxAct to import income documents for filing. Complete guide step by step clearly.
Open your TaxAct account by navigating to the TaxAct website.
Once on the home page, click on the Sign In button located at the top right corner.
Enter your email address and password, then click on Sign In to access your account. After logging in, select the tax year you are working on from your dashboard. Scroll down to the section labeled Import Documents. Look for the option that says Import Income Documents and click on it. You will see a list of supported income documents. Select the type of income document you wish to import, such as W-2, 1099, or any other relevant form. Once you have made your selection, click on the corresponding button that says Continue or Begin Import. Now, you may be prompted to choose the financial institution or document provider. Select your provider from the list or search for it using the search bar. After selecting your provider, follow the prompts to enter your login credentials for that institution. Ensure you check the box to agree to any terms or conditions that may appear. Once your credentials are entered, click the Login or Connect button. The system will then retrieve your income documents. Review the imported documents for accuracy. Make sure all your income information is correct and up to date. If any documents are missing, you may need to import them manually. After confirming that all information is accurate, proceed to the next step in your tax filing process. Continue with any additional prompts to finalize your tax return. Once you have completed all sections, make sure to save your progress. You are now ready to move on to review and e-file your taxes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.